This is InnovAge. This is where InnovAge works. And here too. And while we do a lot of things at InnovAge, the thing we do best is working together. Here are a few of our employees to tell you why.
What do I love about InnovAge? I like the team-based care especially. Team-based care is when we have people here all with the objective of keeping the patient in their home and giving them a complete medical care. This is the ultimate patient-centered medical home.
We're just so much more than just a doctor's office. We are a social setting where participants are fed, where they're socializing, where they're learning new hobbies and crafts, and then they see a doctor if they need to see a doctor.
Every day we meet to discuss participants' needs as a team.
Team of therapists and social workers and mental health workers and nurses and caregivers that meet every day and talk about our participants.
The care coordination here is much easier. It's much more comprehensive. You get to know more about your patients and what's happening with them. I'm able to get better information from my staff because they go into the patient's home and they can tell me more information about whether the patient is able to follow the recommendations I made.
You don't feel all the weight of responsibility for participants' well-being resting on your shoulders alone. You're part of a team, you're making group decisions. In other traditional practices, you may feel quite alone, feeling all that weight. Here it's really a collaborative effort, and it's a great working environment.
What inspired me to be a doctor was to get to know people in a very fundamental way and help them, and InnovAge lets me do that.
If you're passionate about making people's lives better, this is a place you can do it every day.
InnovAge PACE is the program of all-inclusive care for the elderly. Nurses, physicians, dentists, nutritionists, transportation, personalization, activities, fun, friends, and even buddy. Yep, we do a lot. Most importantly, we change lives every day. But we can't do it without you. Join us.